Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Citizen Soldier, and it was a long time since we had them before on this channel. And this time we have a song called Good Old Days. So that will actually be the good old days when we bring CS back here to Gordon Guitar. So let's take a look at this beautiful song. And yeah, we're going clean here. No need for any capo here. So we're gonna look at the chords needed for the song. 6 different chords. Let's start with A. All right, so A goes open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. We have C sharp minor. So that's a bar chord where you play the index finger on the 4th fret. You cover 5 strings there, push them down if you count from bottom up, 5 strings, and then you need to add 6 on D, 6 on G, and 5th on B. We have D next. Okay, so that goes open D, second G, third B, and second E. We have D minor as well, and that will be open D, second G, third B, and first E. We have F sharp minor. It's another bar chord. This time you cover all strings on the 2nd fret with the index finger, and then you need to add 4th on A and 4th on D. And the final chord will be E. And that goes open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. Okay, so let's start with the first verse. We're just gonna work with downs here. So long pauses in between, just one down of A, then C sharp minor, then D, and D minor. That is one chord progression. You're gonna play 2 rounds of that. So A and C sharp minor, and then D, and then D minor. Then comes the pre-chorus. F sharp minor, D, A, and the pause, and then F sharp minor, D, E, and the pause. And that is the pre-chorus. So into the chorus now, we need to learn the strumming pattern, and the first chord there will be the F sharp minor, so grab that one. So 1 round of strumming goes like this. So that is, start with 2 downs, and then comes up, down, 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 up. So down, down, up, down, 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 up. And that is 1 round. You're gonna play 1 round of the following chords: F sharp minor, D, A, and E. That is 1 chord progression. You're gonna play for 2 rounds. So 1 round goes like this. 2 rounds of that, and that's the first chorus. Okay, so into the second round of everything, you will just play in exact same way. Second verse, second pre-chorus, and second chorus. No changes there at all. So after the second chorus comes a bridge part. We are now about 2 minutes and 18 seconds into the song. Okay, so I think the lyrics, bad blood, deep scars, that's where we are. You're gonna play the exact same chord progression and strumming as you played in the chorus. So that means 1 on F sharp minor, D, A, and E. Okay, 2 rounds of that, and that is the bridge part. And then into the final parts of the song, the outro, what you're gonna do here is to play the chorus chords. So you're gonna continue with the F sharp, D, A, E. You're gonna play 4 downs per chord. Okay, so that's what you're gonna do for 2 rounds. And that, my friends, ends Citizen Soldier's Good Old Days. So a nice song coming out from them, pretty straightforward, simple to play. Most parts are just plain downs and very easy going. So yeah, Good Old Days. Give it a try, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, consider subscribe to this channel, and have a good day. Play tuned.